Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. This is actually Origins Technologies. Okay, Origins Technologies. I'm your host. Okay, Tony. Okay. Now this video, I'm going to show you guys something you guys don't want to know to go about. Now most of the time, I know that when you go online, you see some website, you might want to purchase something and you want to get something, you might be scammed or down the line instead, and you might want to get your money back or you want to get the person to be booked into order. Now, this website is one of the best websites you don't need to play with. As far as you're dealing with anything online, you're dealing with a website. You understand? You're making purchase anything on website, you're making anything or you're paying a NGO payment or anything you're doing as far as online on the website, and you think or you're feeling like you are scammed or you have been scammed. Actually, there are ways you can actually go about reporting that particular website or that particular people to order instead, and this is actually acceptable everywhere in the world. Everywhere in the world, once you have reported through this particular website, I bet you the people on that website will be booked into order, and for it, if they're found guilty, they will be arrested. And that's why you don't need to play with this particular website. I'm going to show you guys how to actually report a scamming website or any website that is actually scamming anyone. You report them to these people and they'll get that website down and get people of the website into book and into order. All right, be it an NGO website, be it a website, investment website, anything website at all, or a payment or a shopping website, and you think you have been scammed, you made purchase for something and you didn't get what you paid for. This is the website you don't need to play with. Okay, I'm going to walk you through on how you can actually report that particular website using this particular link. All right, so now let me show you. Okay, so once you get this particular website, this is actually Federal Commission Report Fraud.ftc.gov. Okay, it actually works general and it works very well universal. So how can you go about it? Okay, so this is what you have to do. So first and foremost, you can see tell us what happened in your own words, include specific details you remember, do not include any sensitive information such as SNN, okay, DOB, date of birth, driver license, or okay, this is what they ask you here. In this particular box so you're seeing here, okay, this particular box, you now explain to them what actually happened. What you either you made payments for something, you booked something, you anything at all that you knew you actually did something to that particular website and you didn't get exactly what you want, you come over here and write it in details for them, and make sure you do not put in your SSN. These are for those people who are staying abroad, US, and about this SSN. But for Nigeria, you will talk about your NIN. Okay, so don't put your NIN, your date of birth, or driver license. You don't need, just tell them exactly what happened, how you were being scammed. Tell them how you've been scammed, exactly what happened. Okay, so you come here, do you pay or send money? You click yes, you send money. How much money do you pay or send? You put in the value of the money you've paid in here. Okay, how do you pay or send the money? Okay, you come down, you click, you select one of the drop down. Okay, let's see the drop down. You can see, you can say payment app. If you actually via payment app or service, via Zelle, PayPal, Cash App, or bank wire transfer, or payment, credit card, debit card, any of the platform which you use to make the payments for you, you select the one which you use to make the payments. Okay, then when did you most recently pay or send money? Now you tell them the exact day you actually send the money. Okay, when do you most recently send or pay the money? The date, the month, and the year. Then how did it start? Okay, you can come here. Okay, phone call, social media, website or app. You can click on website or app. It's actually accepted for anywhere. Either they make a phone call to you, your social media, online ad or pop-up, website or app, email, text, mail, in person, TV, radio, any hour at all. You select the particular one which they use to actually scam you. All right. So you can come over here, details about the complaint or individual. You put in the name of the complaint. Surely there will surely be a name of the complaint, the name of the person you dealt with. If you still have the name of the person you dealt with, you select put in the person name. Do you have any other information? You can put in the information you have. Okay, you can put in country, select the the location exactly, and you put in the website. And now once you do all these things, I bet you this particular website will immediately, with immediate effect, walk through your allegation and everything, and take this website and take the website down immediately. Okay, they will take the website down immediately, and what you see in the website, you see a red dangers notice on the website. Enter somewhere in the website, which see attackers available. There's a way they'll put it on the website. You see that first when you see that thing, you know that yes, this particular website have been reported. All right, I wish I have a reported site or showed you, but this is actually how you actually report the website. Then click on continue. Okay, and this is actually allowed. In fact, it's worked everywhere. It is international. Okay, it doesn't rather mean whether in Nigeria or Ghana or anywhere. It is international. Once your website is reported through this platform, I bet you they'll get you and they'll come for you. All right, so be careful on the line on internet space. Do what you're doing right and make sure you don't fraud anyone. Don't fraud anyone. And everybody who fraud it, you fraud you rather, sorry, report the website through this particular medium. And I bet you with immediate effect they'll get the website down and get the people to book. Alright. So thank you very much for watching this video. I will see you guys in the next video. And don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Tell someone about all of these technologies. Or we're going to break down internet into your understanding. That's what we are going to do. We are going to break down internet into your understanding, so you understand how this internet space actually works. Okay, so please stay safe. Always do your business right and do not scam and do not fraud. I respect everybody and I love you guys. One love. Peace out.